of self-care content I found online was when I was researching for this video. It's very fluffy, if you know what I mean. Yes, you can get rejuvenation from socializing and having your sisterhood, but I really found that a tricky day. Change of scene. Either, what did they say, add water, like if they like. Hello and welcome back. Thank you for joining me. Today's video I wanted to kind of chat about pregnancy, like self-care, some tips and what you can do and what I'm trying to do better this time with this pregnancy. So I'm on number 3. I'm still the first trimester, and as you can hear from my voice, I'm a little bit hoarse. I have a little bit of a cough going on, so that kind of inspired me to make this video, because I've just been trying to rest more and incorporate like a nap, an actual set nap time for myself. I think my body's just trying to tell me that I'm run down, so you need to take more time out. And a lot of self-care content I found online was when I was researching for this video. It's very fluffy, if you know what I mean. It's all like very oh, self-care. It's just so superficial, I find, unless I just haven't found the right type of content. I just wanted to hear something more like practical, more like relatable, more like real life, because like a lot of it is like pamper yourself. Now, I did get my hair done today and I feel great. We have Cara turned 1 and we have our christening coming up, so that's my second daughter. And I just found, yeah, you do feel better when you have you put on makeup in the morning or a little bit, or just freshen up, put on nice clothes, not just gym wear or workout gear, unless that's your style, obviously. Whatever suits you best, whatever makes you comfortable and happy, but just dressing that and making that kind of mom uniform for yourself, oh, I always wear a dress and runners every day, or I always wear or workout gear if that is your thing, or I always wear jeans and a jumper and some cute slip-on shoes, and that's my look. That's more simplified. I did a whole video all about glam mom and embracing a little bit of glamour in your life as well to make you feel better. But the self-care, I really think it comes a lot down more to prioritizing yourself in a healthy way and allowing yourself that. It ties in with feminine energy as well, being able to receive help, being able to be in tune with your needs, whether they're emotional, physical, need for rest, need for naps, just something a bit deeper than pampering. Yes, take a bath, that if you make the bath an intentional thing, that it's not just, you know how they say with moms, it's not a break or rest if it's a shower or going food shopping, grocery shopping, because that's just normal day stuff. It's not a true rest. Rest is off duty. So that was a great tip as well, to really have quiet alone time, no stimulation, no I found this helped me. Now personally, I don't know if this would inspire you. You could try it and let me know in the comments below if it does, to take a few hours, have somebody mind all the kids and literally be alone for yourself in the house. That to me was the best self-care so far, literally being off duty. If because sometimes the childcare can feel a bit, especially if you're a stay-at-home mom, like a job. So to really take that time out as you would with proper annual leave, and sometimes you don't want to go anywhere, you want to be in your own space to have rest. So if you can arrange that somehow, it's lovely to have family days out, like that, going to the beach and all that together, but it's still the childcare is involved. You're still in the back of your mind, like on duty, on responsibility. You still are like, I think it puts women in that, like, it's that tribal sense. There's this niggling like anxiety. Is this okay? Is that okay? Your brain is just in overdrive, multitasking, minding everybody else's needs. So if you really take alone time, precious, like, yes, you can get rejuvenation from socializing and having your sisterhood, but I really found that truly on your own, maybe have no plans, I found that just helped. Like, at first I didn't know what to do with myself. It's like, just loving your own company, being with your own thoughts. Yes, you can plan a bath or plan a journal session or plan a nice movie, plan to go nowhere, or like, I really found that was a great tip. I tried it myself. Hopefully that helps you guys to just get a bit more, not just self-care. So yes, go for the pampering, get your maintenance, like beauty maintenance and all those treatments done as well. And getting them done alone is great if you can arrange it somehow. Get the babysitter in, get friends and family to help somehow. But genuine alone off duty time, and to not feel guilty about it, and to really prioritize that. You can't continue to function if it's like 24/7, TV's going, noise, like even that, the environment, a calming environment really makes a lot of difference. So that's my self-care tip, a truly alone time, not necessarily any plans, just to be by yourself. And then my next tip, obviously the weather helps, but to get outside, to get outdoors, yes, incorporate with family time if you can. If you can do it on your own, even better. Always try for little wins. I always used to put so much pressure on myself to, like, I just felt to try get, you don't need a whole day, sometimes an hour here or there can really make a difference. So getting outdoors, I found being on the go is easier to manage, and I just like that kind of change environment and being out and about, and knowing the kids have gotten like exercise, and knowing the kids have gotten out and socialized themselves as well. I found it can get too much in the house, so a tricky day, change of scene. Either, what did they say, add water, like if you're ever having a like, especially as a stay-at-home mom, is like the bath or a paddling pool, or like even a paddling pool indoors. I've literally done that sometimes, putting a towel down, and if the weather's not cooperating, but definitely like add water or get outside if you have the space. Those factors really help. Sounds so simple, but that's the real kind of self-care. I think back to basics. Focus on food, focus on vitamins and diet. I'm into vitamins and supplements. Not everybody is. Obviously try get it from your diet first. And then focus on your environment. And then we were trying to clean up my daughter's room. I'm really trying to incorporate like decluttering as a habit. Do you know how we have to clean every day? And like, you just don't question that. You kind of take it for granted. Yeah, you need to clean to make it hygienic, and then you need to tidy. But to actually incorporate decluttering as well as like a habit, decluttering as in, oh, that's something that needs to be done on an ongoing basis. And then just to embrace like more minimalism living. Like, I think that's self-care. Less is more. The kids play with the toys better if it's like less fuss, and the kids can get overstimulated as well. Too much noise. Like, sometimes I found I would have like the telly on and toys out, and then you're trying to feed them, and that it's actually, if you think about it, can be very overwhelming. So maybe all this is adding to like the lack of sleep, or the routines not being really sets. So I hope those points help to change your environment, get out in nature, not just pamper yourself, but yes, beauty, maintenance, they're all great, but that self-care is also alone time, and to look at back to basics, food and just health and exercise for yourself. Exercise not for like to look well, exercise for like mental clarity, and exercise like, are you getting enough movement in your day? If you're stagnant and there's less, like your body has like lymph flow which runs along like your bloodstream. We learned all this in beauty school. So it's like getting out for a walk. Sounds so simple, but it's actually increasing circulation, increasing that lymph flow. Keeps all your systems healthy, all your blood, lymph, every system in your body is interconnected. That's what they believe in holistic medicine. In biology, you see these connections as well. So yeah, it's being mindful of that your body was designed for movement, and that you do need to give like gentle exercise and stretches and yoga every day. So this was my cleaning before and after. So I hope this video inspired you and motivated you, and join our community below in the comments, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.